Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Recall, if a function is only depending on Brownian, then its differential is given by the formula first derivative of function with respect to Brownian times differential of Brownian plus half of second derivative of f with respect to Brownian dt. Now, suppose we have a column vector v of t that is defined by v of t to be equal to v sub t to be x sub t, y sub t and z sub t, and it is further defined as, so x sub t is given by cos w sub t and y sub t is given by sine w sub t, and my z sub t is given by uh, just w sub t. So only Brownian, right? So this is the velocity corresponding uh, to an object. So it is representing basically this column vector v with component x, y, z represents the position at time t of the object. So it is defining the position x, y, z. It is defining the position of the object at time t. The object is tracing a helix Brownian curve. So it is a helix Brownian curve which is traced by a particle, and for the particle, its position, the components x, y, z are showing the position, right? So what we will do, we will form a stochastic differential equation dv sub t for this v sub t given vector. So I need dx, dy, dz. Previously we have also seen that dxt by this formula, so I need the first derivative of this cosine, which is minus sine w sub t d w sub t plus 1/2 times second derivative of this, which is going to be minus cosine of w sub t uh, dt. And similarly dy sub t is given by first derivative of sine, which is going to be cos w sub t dw sub t plus 1/2 times its second derivative. So sine has a derivative cos, and then we will again differentiate. So it is minus sine w sub t dt, and of course the dz sub t is nothing but dw sub t, because it's only depending on w, right? So I can put this equation in the following form. So if I write my dv as dv equal to dx dy and dz, so then by putting these values I can write this as minus, so I can write this as minus sine of w sub t dw sub t minus 1/2 times cosine of w sub t dt, and then cos w sub t dw sub t minus 1/2 sine w sub t dt, and then dw sub t, right? But this can also be written in the following form. So like you can see that this sine is equal, sine w is defined by y. So I can write this as minus y sub t dw sub t, and my minus 1/2 and my cosine is x sub t, so x sub t dt. Similarly, I can write this cosine w sub t is given by x sub t. So x sub t dw sub t minus 1/2 y sub t dt, and then finally this is nothing but, you know, dbt, which can also be written as dz sub t or maybe just dw sub t, right? But if now we define, you know, uh, I can write this equation dv to be equal to k v sub t plus q times dbt dw sub t plus l times v sub t dt. Now I need to define what is my k, v, q. So my k is a matrix given by 0, minus 1, 0 and 1, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 0, and my v is of course the same that is defined here, and my q is equal to 0, 0, 1, and my L is a matrix which is given by minus 1 half 0 and then 0, 0, minus 1 half 0 and then 0, 0, 0. What is left? So we also need to define the initial condition. So initial condition is v naught equal to v naught, which is given by 0, 1, 0, 0, right? So that's how you define. Let me reinterpret everything again. So we had a particle moving in the helix Brownian curve, and its position at time t had the component x, y, z. Then we have formed the stochastic differential equation for that position v sub t.